Hello students, now today we will continue the self practice 4a from question number 6. So in the last class we have studied till question number 5. Now we will continue from question number 6. See the question number 6, express. Question number 6 is express. We have to express. What we have to express? Express means we have to write in the given form. So question is 625, express 625 means show this 625, that we express 625 to base. In which form? To base. To base, first you have to keep the base 5, second you have to keep the base 25, yes, in two form. So we have to express 625. In first condition, the base we have to take 5, the base should be 5, and what power means how many times you multiply this 5 by itself that you get the value 625. That is the meaning. We have to express this 625 as a base 5 and as a base 25. Means how many times you multiply the 25 to itself, you get the value 625. So same thing, first you have to do the factorization. First you factorize 625 and then after that you can write it. So when you factorize 625, see, first you find the prime factor of 625. So this number is divisible by 5, not 3, because 6 plus 2 8 and 8 plus 5 13. So sum of the digit is 13 and 13 is not divisible by 3. Now it is divisible by 5 next prime number 5 because the last digit is 5. So definitely it is divisible by 5. So how many times it will go? See here. 5 ones are 5, 12, 5 twos are 10, 25, 5 fives are 25. Again 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10 and 5 fives are 25. Again 5 fives are 25. Again 5 ones are 5. So what you got? The prime factors 5, 5, 5, 4 5s we have got here. So 625 can be written as, in the repeated multiplication form, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So the first question is we have to express 625 to the base 5. So that we are going to do. So in the first question of this part, 625, I have selected it as a base 5, and how many times it is multiplied by itself? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 5 to the power 4. Now see, the value is same, but the base is 5. The question is given express 625 to base 5. First we have done. Now second part. Express 625 as base 25. As base 25. So base we have taken. Now you see in the question, this 5 5s are 25, this one pair is 25, again this pair is 25. So 25 multiply 25. This means 625 can also be written as, this means 625 can also be written as 25 multiply 25. See here, 5 5s are 25, this one pair 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Now take this pair and this pair. The value of this pair is what? 25 when you multiply, and 5 5s are 25. So 25 is multiplied itself 2 times. So here the base 25 and the power 2. So 625 can be written as a base 25 as 25 to the power 2. So next we do the B part. In B part 6b, we have to express minus 729 to base 1 is 3 and second is minus 9. 1 is 3 and second is minus 9. 1 is 3 and second is minus 9. in this question we have to find the first prime factor of 729. So here we will find the prime factor of 729. So first it is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Now we check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So we will test here the divisibility rule of 3, and the divisibility rule of 3 is that first we check that the sum of the digit is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18. So the sum of the digit is 18 and 18 is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18. So this number is also divisible by 3. So we divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6, 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Here 3 9s are. Here 3 3s are. Now here 3 1s are. So how many times we got here 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 6 is multiplied. So we can also write how many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. One time more we check this factorization. 3 2s are 6. So 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, correct? 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 6 times. Okay. So right here minus 729 equals to, you can write how you will express as the base of 3. So minus 729. Okay. So this we can write minus 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, 1 2 3 4 multiply 3 and multiply 3. Okay. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So this minus I have taken here. So in order to get the product negative, because here we have to find the product negative. So this how we can write this minus also I can write as minus 1 also. If you multiply any number by 1, you will get the same number. But if you multiply any number by minus 1, you will get the negative of that number. So here we can also write multiply minus 1, because here is 1. So that one also you can add it. So in the place of here I can write also here minus 1. That also we can do, no problem at all. Now see again here, what is the value? Minus 729. So I can write minus 1 multiply 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 6. So on that place again what you can write as a base 3. So you can also write minus 3 to the power 6. See, that number is expressed as base 3. The question is expressed minus 729 as base 3. So we have expressed. And minus put outside. That is the minus 1. Okay. That also we can do. Here no need to write minus 1. Only minus we have written. So if you multiply any number by 1, you will get the same number. Okay. Next we have to express this as a base minus sign. So here you can see how you write. 3 3s are 9, take 2 pair, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So 1 9 here, 1 9 here, 1 9 here. So you can express this number as 9 into 9 into 9 also we can write. So the first one we have done. Now we do the second one. Now see the second one. So minus 729 also we can write minus 9 minus 9 minus 9, base negative power, see 3 times only, so that also you can write minus 9 minus 9 and minus 9, because here the value is negative and the base is minus 9 and it is itself multiplied by 3 times, so the power will be the odd. So negative base power odd value will be negative. Now I can write minus 9 to the power 3. Minus 9 to the power 3. So this can be written as in this form. So now you can see the base is minus 9 and the power is 3. Okay. Now we move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. Evaluation. Evaluate. Question number 7 is what? Evaluate. Question number 7 you see, evaluate. So what you have to evaluate? Minus 3 to the power 3. Minus 3 to the power 3 multiply minus 1 to the power 9 multiply minus 1 to the power 9 and multiply 10 to the power 2 and multiply 10 to the power 2. So we have to evaluate this. So see what will be after evaluation. See. So base negative, power odd, so value will be negative, and 3 cube, 3 to the power 3 means multiply 3 itself 3 times. So what you are going to get? Minus 3 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 3. This multiply the base by itself 3 times. Now here base is minus 1, that is base is negative and power is odd. So here you have to multiply minus 1 9 times. So whenever you multiply 1 by itself any number of times, you are going to get the product 1 only. But since base is negative, so the value will also be negative. So on that place I am going to write only minus 1. Minus 1. The value of this minus 1 to the power 9 is minus 1. And 10 square means 100, that is 10 multiplied 10. Now here you see minus minus plus plus minus minus. So what you are going to get? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, that is minus 27 multiply minus 1 multiply 10 10s are 100. Here minus minus plus, that is 27 multiply 100, and here 2700. 27 multiply 100, what you will get? 2700. 2700. Okay. Now I move to the next question. Seventh B. Question is minus 2 by 3 cube minus 2 by 3 cube multiply minus 3 by 4 square multiply minus 1 to the power 8 multiply minus 6 to the power 2. So minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 multiply minus 3 by 4 to the power 2 multiply minus 1 to the power 8 multiply minus 6 square. That we have to evaluate. Okay, only this we have to evaluate. Now see how we do. This means multiply this base itself 3 times. So since base is negative and the power is odd, so value you will get the negative only. So directly also we can write. So 2 cube means 8. So here I will write minus, because base negative, power odd, so you will get the negative value. 3 cube 27. So when you multiply 2 3 times you will get 8 and 3 times you will get 27. Similarly here base negative, power even, so you will get the value positive only. So what you will get? 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Here base negative, power even. So you will get the positive only, that is 1. Here base negative, power even, you will get the positive value. 6 square 36. 6 square is 36. Now here all are positive only, this is negative. So minus plus minus, and again minus plus minus, minus plus minus. So here you will get the product negative only. Now see, is there any number cancel? Yes. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, that is cancelled. Now here 3 ones are 3, 3 12s are 36, that is also cancelled. Now here also you see 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16, that is also cancelled. Now again you see 2 ones are 2 and 2 6s are 12, that is also cancelled. So after what you got? So after all we got, in the numerator place minus 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 6. At the denominator place also what we got? 1 multiply 1. So after all see what we got? Minus 6 by 1, that is minus 6. Numerator minus 6, here 1 ones are 1, that is minus 6. So we don't write 1 as the denominator. So minus 6 by 1 can also be written as minus 6. So now we move to the question number 8. Question number 8. Evaluate each expression for the given value of the variables. Again we have to do the evaluation. Evaluate each expression for the given value of the variable. Expression is a to the power m plus b to the power n for a equals to minus 5, b equals to 11, m equals to 3, and n equals to 2. Okay, this is the expression and we have to find the value for this. So on the place of the given variables you substitute the value. On the place of a put minus 5, on the place of m you put 3, on the place of b we put 11, on the place of n you can substitute 2. So here put the value. So on the place of a is minus 5, and on the place of m is 3, minus 5 to the power 3, plus on the place of b 11, and the place of n is 211 square. So minus 5 cube means what? Minus 5 cube means multiply minus 5 itself 3 times, plus 11 square means multiply 11 itself 2 times. So what you will get when you multiply this minus 5 itself 3 times? 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125. So minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So you are going to get minus 125 plus 11 11s are 121. So 121 is positive, it is negative. So there will be the subtraction only. So minus 125 plus 21 gives you minus 4. The result is minus 4. The result is minus 4. Okay. So similarly, you have to do question number 8b also. 8b. So let me do that also. B. This is 8a. Now we are going to do B part. 3 x to the power 50 minus y plus z minus y plus z to the power 3 for x is equals to minus 1 equals to minus 1, y is equals to minus 7, and z is equals to minus 3. Z equals to minus 3. 3x to the power 15 minus y plus z whole cube for x equals to minus 1, y equals to minus 7, z equals to minus 3. This is the last question of this exercise, self practice 4a. Now put the values of the given variable. So on the place of x we have to write minus 1. So minus 1 to the power 15 here minus, on the place of y minus 7 plus z, on the place of z you write minus 3. Minus 3 to the power whole cube. Okay, now find its value. So here I have put this z in the bracket, small bracket, because before this, because z is itself negative number minus 3, and here there is, before z there is a plus sign, I have put the plus sign. So two signs cannot be written just one after the other. So when there is the two signs of multiplication, two signs, put the bracket also. Okay, so that's why. Now this plus will be multiplied with this minus sign. Now base is negative and the power is, and base is minus 1, that is negative. So its value will and the power is odd, so its value will be negative, and 1 is multiplied 15 times, so you will get the 1 only. So what base negative, power odd, value will be minus 1. Value will be minus 1 here. Minus 7. Now here you see base negative, that is the whole cube. So plus minus, here you multiply, plus minus minus 3. Now whole to the power 3. The next plus minus minus, that is the minus 3. Here minus, and in this bracket minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 to the power 3. Base negative, power odd, value will be negative. So again minus 3, here you can write minus, and its value will be what? A negative. Negative 10 cube is what? 1000. When you multiply 10 itself 3 times, you will get 1000. What will be this value? Minus 3 minus minus plus 1000. Now 1000 minus 3 gives you what? 997. 997 is the final answer. Okay, 997. So this is all for today, students. Today we have completed self practice 4a. In the next class we will study self practice 4b. Thank you for your attention.